So let's talk about real-time operating systems. When a computing device must interact with the real world within constant and repeatable time constraints, the device manufacturer may opt to use real-time operating system (RTOS). For example, an industrial control system may direct the operations of a sprawling factory or power plant. Such a facility will produce signals from myriad sensors and also send signals to operate valuable valves are actuators, motors, and countless other devices. In these situations, the industrial control system must respond quickly and predictably to changing real world conditions. Otherwise, disaster may result, and RTOS must function without buffering, processing latencies, and other delays which are perfectly acceptable in other types of operating systems. Two examples of RTOS include FreeRTOS and VxWorks. The differences between operating system types are not absolute, and some operating systems can share characteristics of others. For example, general purpose operating system routinely include the networking capabilities found in a traditional NOS. Similarly, an embedded operating system commonly includes attributes of an RTOS, while in a mobile operating system can still typically run numerous apps simultaneously like other general purpose operating systems. Let's talk about Apple iOS. Apple iOS is a proprietary mobile operating system that runs on mobile devices such as. Anyways, let's go back and search for the next thing. So, computer basic understanding computer and operating system is the most important software that runs on computer. It manages the computer's memory and processes, as well as all of its software and hardware. It also allows you to communicate with the computer's language. Without an operating system, and a computer is useless. Watch the video below to learn about the operating system. The operating system's job. Your computer's operating system (OS) manages all of the software and hardware on the computer. Most of the time, there are several different computer programs running at the same time, and they all need to access your computer's central processing unit, CPU, memory, and storage. The operating system coordinates all of this to make sure each program gets what it needs. Types of operating system. Operating systems usually come preloaded on any computer or you buy. Most people use the operating system that comes with their computer, but it's possible to upgrade or even change operating systems. The three most common operating systems for personal computers are Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Modern operating systems use a graphical user interface or GUI, pronounced as GUI lets you use your mouse to learn to click icons, buttons, and menus, and everything is clearly displayed on the screen using a combination of graphics and text. Each operating system's GUI has a different look and feel, so if you switch to a different operating system, it may seem unfamiliar at first. However, modern operating systems are designed to be easy to use, and most of the basic principles are the same. Microsoft Windows. Microsoft created the Windows operating system in the mid 1980s. There have been different versions of the Windows, but the most recent ones are Windows 10 released in 2015, Windows 18 2012, Windows 7 29, and Windows Vista 2007.